What if you want to print an email physically from your Gmail account? You just go to your inbox and then you open the email that you want. You click it so that it is well expanded. You then go to the top right there and click the three dots which say more, and then you go to where it says print. In this case, you can just make a few changes. If you scroll down, there are two pages there, but you have the option of changing the number of pages that you want to print. You can even say, I just want page one, and that's what will come out. You also need to change the layout. It can be portrait or landscape. You can view more settings to make more changes. The paper size can be A4 or bigger. And these other areas, if you change them, they'll change the margins. You can even scale it so that it fits on the page. For example, I can reduce this figure probably to 50, and you see the entire email is fitting on the page. Let's put it to 80. Now it's just maybe one page and small part of the other page. So you can just print page one and it fits the entire email. So generally you can choose your printer there and then you click print. So this is how you print an email in Gmail.